Are you looking to get a handle on the apps connected to your Google Workspace account? You've come to the right spot. In this video, I'll show you the simple steps to check which apps are connected to your business account and how to remove any that you no longer need. Let's get started by heading to myaccount.google.com in your browser. Ensure you're logged into the correct account, if you have multiple ones like me, in the top right-hand corner here, and then navigate to Data and Privacy on the left-hand side menu. Click it. Scroll all the way down or nearly down until you find third-party apps with account access. Click the arrow to expand the view, and now you will see all the apps that are currently linked to your account. Want to disconnect an app? Click on its logo and press the blue Remove Access button. Rinse and repeat for any app you want to remove. Easy peasy, am I right? You can also check out which apps use your Google sign-in at the bottom of the page and remove access in the same way as mentioned beforehand. Are you feeling accomplished? Then please give this video a thumbs up and check out my Google Workspace playlist for more tips and tricks, or check out this top 10 must-have business tools video to get your business set up the right way. I'll catch you in the next video. See ya!